Now come to the next page of chapter number 11, that is page number 138. Continue with the exercise. Here there are two pictures. One is about cities and one is of villages, and there is a comparison between the two. Some of the words and written like green, clean, and for modern cities it is written modern. So we have to compare and frame sentences using the linker. Like here the student has written a village is more green than a city. A city is more modern than a village. A village is more clean than the city. So these are some of the comparison. In the same way you have to do the comparison between television and a radio. Here there it is written entertaining. Naturally TV is more entertaining than the radio, and radio is portable. Portable means आप इसको कहीं भी उठाकर ले जा सकते हो, easy to carry, and it is popular because still some places there is no access to television, so radio is very much popular as compared to television. And you have to frame sentences yourself. Next is the two pictures are given. One boy who is fat and tall, and in second picture there is a boy who is thin and short. Again you have to frame the sentences using a linker, like boy A is fatter than boy B, boy B is shorter than boy A. In this way you have to frame the sentences. Now on the next page, here there is a picture of milk and energy drink, or you can say it's a cold drink. It is nutritious and safe for milk, and for cold drink it is written tasty. You have to do the comparison using the linkers. Next picture is of a lion and a snake. For lion the adjective is written are ferocious. Ferocious means बहुत डरावना. Next is dangerous, and snake is poisonous and dangerous. Poisonous means जहरीला. So you have to write the sentences. Next is worksheet number 5, odd man out. Here in the exercise, work with your partner and look at the groups of words, each of which contains odd man out. Means इनके अंदर कोई ना कोई एक odd है which does not belong to that group. So you have to circle the odd man out, and you have to use different linkers to give a reason that why it is odd man out. For example, horse, cow, mouse, knife, lion. So what is odd man out? All are the animals, but knife is an object. So you have to write the reason. Knife is a thing or object, whereas all other are animals. Now come to the next page, where it is written June, January, March, Spring, and May. So all others are the months, and spring is odd man out because it is not a month. Plate, bean, soup, sandwich, apple. All are eatables, while plate is an object. Next is green, big, orange, brown, red. I think big is odd man out because big is not a color. Next is Paris, New Delhi, London, New York, and Colombo. So here the students used to confuse that they say New Delhi. No, it is not New Delhi, it is New York. Because New York is not a capital, it is a city. So, and New Delhi is capital of India. So all other are capitals while it is a city. Next is bicycle, bus, car, motorcycle, and truck. Here it is bicycle. And next exercise, father, sister, brother, neighbor, grandfather. So all are in the blood relation, while neighbor is not a blood relation, it is not a family member. Tea, coffee, coke, bun, lemonade. Bun is odd man out. Now come to worksheet number 6. Here it is a paragraph written and you have to fill in with an appropriate linkers. आपको ऐसे पेपर में आ सकते हैं, ये नहीं आएगा, इसके जैसे आएंगे. Like the children have been enjoying the bright sunshine on beach, but all of a sudden it became cloudy and dark. Next, and about 15 minutes it began to thunder, and they looked up. They all could see is lightning in the sky. And की जगह यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? It is wrong. Here क्या आएगा? As they looked up. Now this was quite unexpected. It had been sunny since the work began, and there was no sign of rain. So frightened, they all rushed toward the school bus. They felt safe because they had gone inside. So these are the linkers used. Now Come to worksheet number 7. In worksheet number 7, there is a map given. And imagine yourself as Shital, who lives in house number 13 on Park Avenue Street. Your friend is at post office and she called you up to reach your home. So you have to give the instructions to your friend about where you live. So this exercise you have to do it yourself with the help of linkers. Okay. Now come to worksheet number 8, and worksheet number 8 here again like worksheet number 2 or 1 I think, where there is a comparison between brothers and sisters by a mother. She compared her two children. The same exercise is there, and here there is a comparison between the teenagers, boys and girls, how they spend time in playing, reading, TV, and studies, or in hobbies. You have to use the linkers to frame the sentences, and this exercise is for yourself. You have to do it yourself. Next is worksheet number 9. In worksheet number 9, there are written some of the sentences. You have to use the commas here. The commas कैसे use होते हैं? See here, I bought a fat feathery parrot. It is one sentence, and comma it is used to distinguish between the two adjectives. जब हम दो qualities को अलग अलग दो qualities बताते हैं तो हम बीच में क्या लगाते हैं? कॉमा लगाते हैं. लाइक आई मेड अ बिग ब्राउन माउंटेन. दो क्वालिटीज़ बता रहा है, पहाड़ जो ऊंचा था और बड़ा था. So this is the exercise of putting the comma. See here, Shelly is an adorable, cute kid. So adorable and cute are two adjectives. We place the comma. He lives in a beautiful palatial house. So beautiful and palatial, two adjectives, put comma. We are organizing a huge Sunday, comma, get together. He is very fond of roasted chicken, comma, sandwich. So commas are always placed in between the two adjectives, and so is the case. Next is the children admire grandpa's gentle, patient, forgiving attitude. So three of the adjectives are written. They are separated by using commas. Next is he looked comical in his battered straw hat, comma, battered means tutti frutti. Next is children wandered into the thick and dark forest. So thick and dark are two adjectives. Next is do it yourself exercise. Students, as you have done the linkers, we have learned the uses of linkers. So this exercise you have to do it yourself, and then you have to check the answers with the PDF sent to you. Thank you.